Heavydrive at BAU 2019 in Munich. For the fourth time now, the company presents its range of products and services at the world's leading trade fair for architecture, materials, and systems. We specialize in handling extra-large and heavy glass elements weighing up to 6 tons. However, we have set ourselves even higher targets, handling glass elements of up to 12 tons in weight and becoming the market leader. We're here at the leading trade fair to demonstrate our competence and expertise. The customers coming to visit our stand can see what we can do, how we work, and how we present ourselves all over the world. The absolute highlight at the Heavydrive exhibition stand, the simulation of a construction site on a scale of 1 to 25. We use small-sized models to display all of our available equipment. This way we can easily respond to any situation or problem, also using the counterweight system or the crane, as well as offering overhead solutions. In other words, we can demonstrate each individual situation in miniature form and immediately point out what the potential trouble spots are at the construction site, what needs to be prepared, and which solution should be opted for in the end to save time and money. An almost record-breaking 250,000 visitors came to see BAU 2019 in Munich. The number of visitors at the Heavydrive stand in Hall C3 also reached an all-time high.
Heavydrive.